Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check and read messages in WhatsApp, and here's how it is done. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android device. Swipe right to mark messages or long tap. On any conversation, swipe right or long tap and click the three dots at the top right corner. You can mark it as unread. A green bubble will appear, or as read. Unread conversations will have a green indicator next to them. Filter to unread messages. Swipe down from the top of the chat list. Select Unread from their filter options. Now only unread messages will be displayed. Mark as read or unread. If you swipe right on a conversation and mark it as read, it will be removed from the unread filter. This method allows you to easily manage and respond to unread messages in WhatsApp. And that is everything you need to know about how to check and read messages in WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.